That is it.
Link up. Outside. See,
Outside.
just a link up right now. See, badness just start, people. Are good vibes. I just walk into a military shop. Just, I understand, people. Yeah, man. Everything in this shop is real, actually, as well. Yeah, man. Everything in this shop is real. This is 500. Look, this big thing here is £500.
Clap. Yeah. Baba clap.
So there, people, yeah. Brooklyn, Michigan. Hey, people. Guess what I go on? Yeah, man, I come into a place that you all know that Ringo Vision love. Look at this. Yeah, man, I'm in a place. Them man there want to carry the things. You see me? I said I'm pushing my trolley with my shopping. Yeah? So let me go and carry the shopping. So, M. Dot's having a biscuit and gravy with
Proper American breakfast.
Z's having a chicken burger.
Yeah.
Good vibes. Yes, people, Wagwan, you don't know Wagwan. Good vibes, big up yourself. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active, we're fully outside. Hey, Joseph, big up the people in quickly.
Hello.
Tell everybody Wagwan for YouTube, please.
Go to YouTube, Ringo Vision. You know?
You know the corner on the outside of that.
Fully active people, yeah? All right, on the way to Detroit.
Ringo.
But guess what? We have to link Joseph before we step out, you know.
That's good. Yeah. That's it. Good vibes. I need that to my throat. Big up.
Joseph ain't playing with us, you know. Respect Joseph, yeah?
Thanks, my brother.
Early in the morning, breakfast.
Thank you very much.
Respect. Set me off for my journey. See you Tuesday.
Thank you. So,
we're going to cook some food here Tuesday.
So,
And me and Joseph are going to make some music.
Of course. Emrod, when are you going to come back from America?
Monday.
Yo.
Monday.
Okay. Successful show.
Good vibes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we just get into the train station, jump on a train to Gatwick. Good vibes.
Oh, we're on our way, people. We're outside.
At the airport now, people, yeah, good vibes. Heading to North Terminal. Yeah, man. We're at that point right now where we're just, you get me, get your bag them ready, you understand? Get your boarding pass ready, you understand? Passport ready, you understand? Movements. Alright, so we're at that point there, people, yeah. Barcode, scan up the barcode, you get me to get through, you understand? Yes, everybody, so it was a decent local flight. We're jumping off the plane now.
I got a new friend.
Good vibes.
Yeah, I've got a new friend.
Good vibes. Everybody, so we've touched down in Boston. Good vibes. Boston? A good vibes. So you say, Emma, you're looking forward for your performance?
Yeah, it's going to be a good vibe.
Alright, people, look out here, car. You don't know where I go on. I'm more vibes I go on again, people, yeah. But the weather's a little bit like London still, I'm not telling you a lie. Big up everybody, we're here in Boston. Just gonna get a connecting flight to go to Michigan. So our good vibes, people, yeah, big up yourself. Outside. Yeah, the journey's been a decent one, people. You don't know, we left from London, Gatwick. We're here in Michigan right now. No, sorry, we're in Boston right now. And we're heading to Michigan. So our good vibes, people, yeah. We're more than halfway on our journey, so we soon reach. This next flight that's connecting is only about an hour and a half. The last flight was 7 hours, so can't complain because the time is dropped down a lot. You understand? But it's a lot of traveling today, people, yeah. But we soon reach. Good vibes. Yeah, bare traveling today. Back on the plane again. We're in Boston, getting the next connecting flight to go to Michigan. Good vibes. Doing it all over again. It's a long traveling day still. On the next flight, everybody just moving again on the way to the next destination. Are good vibes. Been a mad long travel all day. You don't know anything already, people. Active. That
is it.
link
One
up
Ringo
outside.
Vision.
You know, just a link up right now. See, badness just start, people are good vibes. Cool, man.
Big brother.
Call them, man. We always say the team link up. Right now, you just got the camera on nothing, Ringo. I'm here.
Huh?
Boom. That's it, my bro.
Good vibes. We just get pick up at the airport. Yeah, man. Good vibes. All right, people. So it was a long trip, but we reached and now end up the journey with our Boston now, innit?
Yeah, man. We're from Boston. No, we're in Detroit.
Detroit.
Everything
Good vibes.
Everything okay.
Good vibes. Official pick up people, yeah. So yeah, man. Good vibes. Look, this car is so big, yeah. Look, mad. Look, let me go around here. Look at her. See?
Yo.
Big old ride, this now. These American cars are massive.
Yeah, man, and them full of space now.
Bare space, can chill out for a look while. Big up yourself, people. We're there. Detroit. Hey, people. Guess what I go on? Yeah, man, I come into a place that you all know that Ringo Vision love. Look at this. Yeah, man, I'm in a place where all the fruits and vegetables are, look, and they've got the water pipe, you know, the sprinkling. This one here back home is the pop chow. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have a field day checking out all the fruits and vegetables. So I'm in the supermarket here in America, people. Big up yourself. You don't know where I go on. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen. We've had a journey. We've come off of the plane. Yeah, man, so I'm just gonna be doing a vlog while I'm over here. Tomorrow is the event. So you'll be seeing the event tomorrow, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly go through some of the things them quickly that they got in here. Look, they got fresh beetroot, carrot, look, carrot. Yeah, man, everything there, people, yeah? Scallion, lettuce, different types of lettuce. Look at that. Turnip, different type of squashes, the pop chow like I showed you. Good vibes, people. They've even got some yellow squashes, you know. Asparagus, the normal squash that we know. Yeah, man, the peppers, them red, gold and green. Yes, everybody, so I'm in a massive supermarket. I'm not really gonna go around the supermarket and see what the supermarket's got, but I'm just gonna show you guys in America the variations of the fruits and vegetable sections in the supermarket, what they have. Like, they've got other things here in packets here that are set in packets, but that you can tell that over here is actually the fresh section, like what you'd actually get in the back home, like when I go to the Joseph store and I go and get the fresh things them at the store. The supermarket's got a section where it's just all fresh as well, and it's got a section where things are also in packets as well, people. Yeah, man, good vibes. Look at all these variations of pears, man. Yeah, man, good vibes, people. Look, all the variations of pears, apples, different variations of apples, everyone. So I'm just gonna pick a few fruits anyway. These are some different type of pears anyway, people, yeah? Good vibes, and I want an apple as well. Good vibes. You can buy chopped onions, chopped peppers. This one's celery. This one's a mix of carrot, onion and celery. Wow. You know, so the supermarket, look, it's got even, this is what you'd use for guacamole, kind of like. You understand, people? Fresh pico de gallo. Yeah, man, this one looks like it's got onions, tomatoes and coriander inside of it. Good vibes. Oh, look, big mix, you know. Like, imagine if I come in and I just wanted to buy some, quickly do a YouTube episode cooking, and I'm just traveling in the supermarket. I think over here would be like ideal. I could come in quickly, boom, get this. You understand, people? And show you guys some different styles of cooking using like the variations of styles of food that they've got, the way it's done in the supermarkets as well. Good vibes. Like, look at my basket so far. What I've got, there's some fruits in my basket, but I've made sure that I got the lemon, yeah, and I got the garlic here, everybody, yeah. All right. So look, I'm gonna make sure, say, I pick up the ginger as well. Nah, I left out the ginger, yeah. Good vibes. so I think I'm gonna, you know, can't left out a beetroot, people. Just buy a beetroot to just eat up said way. Are good vibes. Yes, people, see, look, them man there want to carry the things. See me? I said I'm pushing my trolley with my shopping. Yeah? Let me go and carry the shopping. Me, I'm pushing my trolley with my shopping. Yes, people. Ember, where are we? Yes, people, we're in Michigan. Outside. I think they... Huh?
I've got about 30 cherry pies.
How good vibes. Outside, people. Alright, everyone have to be cautious. Park up my trolley right here. Good vibes. Back in my hotel room, people, yeah. A good vibes, big up yourself, yeah. Gonna get myself some rest. Good vibes. This is all the stuff them that I bought at shop just now. I already had one of the beetroot grapes. Look at the water, fruits there. Yeah man, good vibes. See you guys in the morning. Oh people, look. It's 7:30 in the morning and we just come outside to come and have a J quickly. Yeah, a good vibes, a good vibes, a good vibes. Yeah.
Give thanks and praise for life.
Cool man. That day I also say man.
Good evening. I done nothing.
General store, yeah?
Dollar General store.
Yeah, bro.
It says here outside.
That is it, another thing, God.
It's kind of
right?
cooler, man. It's kind of chilly here in the morning, people. Yeah, we're just gonna look, just having a little walk through the local town still. Yeah, man, a good vibes, good up yourself. We're there, sir. Right now, we're in Michigan now. Yeah, we spin the camera around so that you guys can see the scenery said way. The sun's out. I'll wall up that burger, you know. Yeah, man. Just gonna give the camera a little pan around everybody. Yeah, man, so you can see the place. Understand, see where we're there. Yeah, man, a good vibes. See M and Z there. Big crossroad, yeah, so. Yeah, man. Left hand drive, you see it? Big old road, you know, look. You know you're doing across the road there, you know. Yeah. Look at big subways over here as well. Big old dirty McDonald's too. Them forever there everywhere. So where the people, yeah? Brooklyn, Michigan. Yeah man, Brooklyn, Michigan where the people are good vibes. Alright, so you know what I've won. This was the first breakfast. So M.'s having a biscuit and gravy with
Proper American breakfast.
Z's having a chicken burger.
Yeah.
Good vibes. And here's my breakfast, everyone.
Tell him what just happened. Tell him what just happened. You ordered chips.
Alright, so I ordered chips and I've got these crisps. Yes, everyone, so the trip has been good so far, you know. So we're gonna close up the episode in a little while. You understand, people? Yeah, man, we're gonna close up the episode and look out for the following vlogs them that are gonna be coming out from over here. So we're gonna go back to the hotel room now. We just had some breakfast and whatnot. Just went to the store, got a few things. Yeah, man, good vibes. We're gonna go and rest up for a little while quickly. You understand? And then get ready for the event later, and then you go and see that. Good vibes. Military supplies now. I just want to go in there and just have a look. We've never seen none of this on the program yet. Good vibes. You alright, officer? You alright, officer? How you doing? Alright, sergeant? Major? Yes, people in a proper military shop. Just thought I'd just pass through quickly. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. Different environment, people, yeah? Yeah, man. How you doing, bro? So we're in a military shop, people. And, yeah, this Desert Eagle is real. It's going for $2,599. And that AII is going for 599.
Yeah, that's a 223-556
That's a badge.
pistol.
And this is Michigan.
So look, yeah, this is all pistols, all different type of pistols, everyone. Yeah, man.
I never see in here my favorite spot. Yeah.
Yo, Ringo, catch one picture.
You got?
I just walk into a military shop, just, you understand, people? Yeah, man, everything in this shop is real, actually, as well. Yeah, man, everything in this shop is real. All of these, look, this is 500. This is, look, this big thing here is £500.
Ringo.
Yeah. All right, and then you have all different sorts of things in here, people. 7 bills for them hand things there. 5 bills, 9 bills for them little small things there. Yeah, man. A good vibe. You're outside, people, yeah?
Like a knife and something which is quite regular, but it's still less likely for you to lose your life or someone to lose their life so quickly.
Yeah, that's true.
You know?
That's true.
It's like, it's
but I mean, it's always been America's, right to bear arms. So, and it's hard to take that away. I mean, I guess, for example, it would be Australia.
Like you could have the
Australia had the right, and then they took it away from those people.
Yeah.
Canada.
But what I'm saying
way.
is, you could be just a normal person. Your background check is fine.
Yep.
But you might be going through some mental health issues.
That's possible too. Yeah,
You know?
but that's why they got red flag laws too. The red flag laws look out for, people
Any
that are having
dodgy
a hard
behavior.
time or odd behavior. The doctors here ask you about your weapon now.
Okay.
If you own some, how many you own. They do all kinds of.
Everything's regulated.
Yeah. And a lot of people like myself, I have an FFL, Federal Firearms License, but I also have a CPL, which is a Concealed Pistols Permit. So I can just walk around with my gun and just pull my jacket over it. You never know I had it. So you're going to encounter a lot of people out there that are actually carrying weapons that you wouldn't even know.
Yeah.
So that's in your mind too.
Yeah.
So that kind of keeps everybody in check. Not to to go ballistic on somebody over something stupid.
If you've got a gun in England, not only is it illegal, but it's like you're dangerous. Because not a lot of people might have them. They have. Believe me, there's a lot of them.
Yeah, in this town, you're probably looking at maybe 1 out of 5 people are carrying.
Oh, really?
Maybe even higher than that.
Yeah.
So.
It's different, man. Different places, different cultures.
Yes, people. Yeah. So, how long have you been trading?
We've been at this for about 5 years now.
5 years.
Yep. So we're still fairly new at it.
Okay.
Was you in the to get like the is it the FD?
FFL, Federal Firearms License.
And
you have to
be
extensive background check, a lot of hoops to jump through to get that license. So it's not Joe Blow can't just go in and apply for it and get it.
That makes sense.
So it's heavily regulated.
The pistol one easier.
Yes, yeah. You got to take a class. It's a 12-hour class.
You take a class
and you take your test, and then
of course, yeah, because you just can't go and buy a gun and not know how to shoot a gun. So even if
we've had that as well.
Oh yeah.
I mean, there's people out there that get pistols for home protection that don't know how to work them. And we make it a practice not to sell to people like that.
Yeah.
You've got to have a general knowledge. You've got to know how to work the firearm safely before I'll even sell it to you.
Yeah.
That's just the way I work. I'm not here for a sale. I am actually here to help the person safely.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yep.
Okay.
A good vibes, people. We're inside a military shop. Just got a little bit of background information, a little bit of the military and gun license check and all that. But look, like I said, look, we're inside this store, everybody, and this big long pistol here, big thing, costs, that's the price, $599. Then you got this next machine here. This is what it costs. 449. Yeah, I have.
Oh yeah. I'll buy that. You'll buy your money. Binds.
Yeah, that. Teeth.
It's a teeth and a dentist.
Teeth and a dentist, Just go like this.
Undo that.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. I'm here in the military store. What's the name of the shop, sorry?
Morris Military Surplus.
Morris Military Surplus, people, yeah? So
Right.
You don't know where I go and look. I've got myself.
Michigan, America.
Michigan, America. That's over there. Not true, see? Yeah, man. So me have my uniform, people, yeah? A good vibes.
And
yeah,
this
man.
next.
You see it? You don't know, sir, outside.
man, you see me?
I don't know joke things here.
I don't joke.
I show them from head to toe.
Nah, man, Prima, we're there. Michigan, them, I take care of it. They make sure so we're alright and we're good.
Yeah. Military.
Yeah.
I don't joke thing.
Bam.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
I
A bag. AK
Flat.
Yeah.
Bubba clap.
people, we just got kitted out, you know, like some army things and some things and things.
Master Sergeant Ringer.
Yeah, that's all. Alright, people, big up yourself. You don't know. This is the end of today's vlog, people. Yeah, man, look out for the rest of the episodes, them coming out on the YouTube. You don't know where I've gone. We travelled from London to Boston first, and then we left from Boston and now we're in Michigan. Z come all the way from New York. You don't know where I've gone, people. M dot there. YGP, one cam. What you mean, man? Jamaica, what you say? Outside, fully. America, USA.